Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to trade animals for conservation credits in Planet Zoo. If you're playing franchise mode, conservation credits are an important currency used to purchase high-quality animals from the online market. There are several ways to earn them, but one of the most profitable methods is trading animals to other players. To begin, send the animal you want to sell to storage. Select the animal you want to trade. Then on the information panel on the right, click the hammer icon to send it to the trade center. Once the animal has been boxed and sent to storage, click on Animal Trading in the lower left corner of your screen. This will automatically open your animal storage, where you'll find the animal you just stored. On the right side of the window, you'll find the option to trade for conservation credits. The price shown by default is the game's recommended trading price. Click on it to adjust the price based on the animal's quality, traits, and genetics. Make sure you set a reasonable price. If you price your animal too high, other players may ignore it, while selling it too cheaply means you'll miss out on potential conservation credits. Once you've decided on a price, click Trade to put the animal on the market. Your animal will remain available for other players to purchase for 1 hour. If someone buys it during that time, you'll receive the conservation credits. If nobody purchases it before the time limit expires, the animal will be returned to your storage, where you can put it back on the market and adjust the price. While you're waiting, you can also put more animals up for trade if you're looking to earn additional conservation credits or simply reduce the number of animals in your zoo. To check whether an animal has been sold, open Animal Trading again and check your storage. If the animal is no longer there, it has been sold. You can also check your trade history to confirm the transaction. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.